Hello everyone, this is Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home to some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. Over the last 16 years, we've been dedicated to creating tools that save you time and simplify your work. With over 7,500 happy customers, ranging from small businesses to large corporations, and countless weekly emails we receive from users telling us how much they love our tools, it's clear that we're making a real difference. Don't just take my word for it. Check out our glowing 5-star Google reviews, which speaks volumes about the value we provide. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce a highly requested tool, the Business Data Extractor for Google Maps. This Excel-based tool lets you generate a list of businesses by category and radius directly in Excel. No more manual searching of exporting data. This tool does it all for you. Let me show you how it works. Here's how easy it is. Let's say you're looking for a list of restaurants in Salt Lake City. Select a business type. Use the drop-down menu to choose your desired business category. For example, let's say we're looking for Italian restaurants, so we just type in Italian in here. Next, input the location and specify the radius. Let's set the radius to 35 miles. Now that we've done that, hit the search button, and the tool will work its magic, pulling data directly from Google Maps. In just a few seconds, you'll have a neatly organized list in Excel. The results include the business name, type, address, phone number, price level, and rating, all sorted for your convenience. As you can see here, the tool generated a list of 60 Italian restaurants, including bars and other relevant types. Keep in mind that Google limits the results to 60 entries at a time. However, you can easily slice and dice your search by adjusting the radius or location to get the data you need. To download the Business Data Extractor for Google Maps, click the link in the description below. If you have any questions or need assistance, our contact information is provided in the description and displayed on the screen. You can reach us directly via email, phone, or live chat on our website. Your call will be answered. No answering machines, no bots. Vinny, the mastermind of Excel Distance Calculators, will personally assist you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to the channel for more tools and tips like this. Be sure to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy extracting and making your workflows easier.